So just follow the breath. Just be with it. And just observe its unconditional quality and effortless quality, that it just moves by itself. Sometimes I call breath the act of self-love within. We have no control over it. And just observe the air moving inside the body with the breath. Inhalation, exhalation. Let it move inside the body. Feel as it is giving oxygen to the body, to every cell of the body. And just feel that it brings some spaciousness inside. And just let it relax the body, relax through the breath. And just feel that it makes you more open in your being, more open to presence or awareness. Feel this openness above the head. In the forehead, inside the head. In the chest, in the belly. Just feel this open space. And feel this space in the left arm, in the right arm, in the left hand, in the right hand. And feel the space between the hips. In the legs, in the knees and behind the knees. And just slowly arrive into your feet and the soles of your feet. And just feel this open space under the soles of your feet. And just be aware of the space inside the body, the space of awareness. Notice the sensations in the body. Feel the space around them. And notice the flow of the thoughts, what we call thinking. And just rest the space between the thoughts. Just rest there. You don't have to do anything with it. Just let the energy of the thought rest, come back home. And just let all the energy come back home inside your being, like giving home to your own self in this body. And feel the space around the body. And feel the space inside the room, the space of awareness. And just feel as it is like embracing and supporting you always. Like you are here for this and it is here for you. Like a constant exchange of consciousness. And just feel how simple it is, this moment, as you are sitting here. Just be aware of the noises, the sounds, the sound of my voice as I'm speaking to you. Feel the touch of your clothes on your skin. Feel the support of the chair. And just feel how simple it is just to sit here like this. Just sitting and breathing. And if any thought arises, just give it space. Rest with it for a moment. Let it arise. Watch it and then just let it go. And slowly fade in the space of awareness. And just rest. It leaves you with some emptiness and just rest there. There is always some content with a thought when it arises. And there is always an emptiness when a thought leaves. Both are perfect. And just feel the breath through the nostrils. And just feel the breath. A long, alive journey every second within the body. Inhalation, exhalation. And just feel that this moment is perfect as it is. This moment is perfect. Feel the truth of it. If anything is resisting it, just let it resist. And just say to it, you are free to resist this moment, the quality of this moment. It is also part of this moment. Allowance, enjoyment, resistance. Everything is welcomed. And if you feel any resistance, contraction, or a hard thought, or anything, just say to it, I love you. You are a part of my awareness, darling. You came from my awareness. You are made of me, awareness. And just call it home. Just let everything come home into awareness space that you are. Maybe something wants to come home, something doesn't want to come home. It all happens inside the same space. It's okay. You just breathe and welcome everything that is there. And if anything wants to show anything to you, welcome it. Let it arise as a word or as a picture. Meet it fully as you sit here. Acknowledge it and then let it go. Let it fall into the space of awareness. Like a natural mind movement of the mind. The mind moves that way. It's natural. Maybe the body also wants to show something. A feeling, emotion, or sensation wants to appear as a thought in front of yourself, a word or picture, an image. Just let it show up. This is creation through our human form. And we are the observer of it. And there is no good or bad creation. It's just spontaneous. And also just accept what you cannot accept. And if you can't accept it, this is also okay. Light feelings, hard feelings, weightless feelings, heavy feelings, all are okay and normal. Like ever existing forms of consciousness, your own consciousness. And feel this peace that comes with acceptance. With the acceptance that accepts even non-acceptance. Like complete acceptance. Just feel this peace that comes with it. When the judgment falls, just rest in that peace. There can be a lot of things around peace. Something quiet with it, something rest in it. Feelings around peace are also welcomed. It doesn't change peace. And in that position where you are now, just ask yourself, what is it that I would like to give to myself? Just let it arise by itself if there is anything. And just spend some time with it to really see what is it that you would like to give to yourself now. Just now. And when you know what that is, Just give it to yourself through the feeling, or you can imagine that you are giving it to yourself, whichever way works for you. Or say this thing to yourself. And receive. Give and receive in the same time. And just see that this giving and receiving happens in the space of awareness, in the awareness presence. The capacity of your being of giving and receiving is endless. You can't learn it. It's just a remembrance. And just feel how it is to give to yourself. Just feel into it. The gift of giving and receiving within yourself. And if you want, give it a shape to this energy of giving and receiving, what you are experiencing within yourself now. Let it take shape. It can be anything. So maybe later you can remember this form and you can recall. And just notice how you are now. Just notice your present state. In the body and mind. And from here, from the awareness presence of the body, just turn towards the mind or the head space, if it's a better word for that. And just try to feel a little bit into it, connect with it. And just feel into the head space. And just notice the sensations there. If it's spacious or tight or tensioned or anything, just try to name it. And just put that word in front of yourself. And let it fall in the space of your awareness. And just ask the head space, the mind, if you would like to say or show anything to me, please do so. And just let it say anything it wants to say or show. And just let it project in front of yourself. Maybe it's a thought or maybe it's a feeling. Just let it happen. Like a oneness, a unity between heart and mind. Conversation. And just feel that peace that comes with it, that for a long time we turned away from our mind. And now we can consciously connect with it. Less tension. You can move if you like, if the body wants to move. Or you can stay still. The heart is connecting with the mind, and the mind is also connecting with the heart. Yeah. Breathe into this connection. It doesn't have to be perfect connection, just connection. Now it feels peaceful. Sometimes maybe there is disagreement between the heart and mind. And it's all good. It's just connection. There is no perfect relationship. But the relationship is there. And the intention to connect is enough. It's just there by itself. Just feel this gratefulness that you could create this connection. This is beautiful. When there is a connection between the heart and mind, it feels home. It feels we are home. Like we don't want to repair the connection, we don't want to change it. We just want to be with that connection and give space to that connection. Giving space is like healing, and it's perfect. So just say thank to yourself for being able to being that open with yourself, with your heart and mind, with your entire being, because this is the capacity of your awareness being. You can always come back to that. You can always sit with this. Just to be with yourself that way. Just feel how healing it is. Coming home through that connection. Like a real gift to yourself. And giving home to yourself. And just feel that you had the power to give rest to yourself this way, that it came from you, that you came here. To sit like this and to connect with yourself. And just feel that this intention came from a very good place within yourself. And that there is a tremendous power inside your being. The capacity of timeless, endless awareness, presence that you are. And this beautiful capacity and power to sit like this came from yourself. From awareness source. You are the source. Connecting with yourself. This is awareness called Teska, Elena, Stephen, Shingu, James, Alton, Serena. And everyone that is not who is not here. So just again, one more time, say thank to yourself that you came here today. Thank you for your openness. And willingness. And just slowly come back to the body. Feel your breath through the nostrils. Feel the forehead, the back of the head, and the navel, and the belly, the soles of your feet. Feel the clothes touching your skin. Be aware of the breath. And whenever you are ready, just try to move the fingers first, maybe the head, the feet, the neck, the body a little bit. And just slowly, slowly open your eyes when you are ready. And you can just leave silently. I don't want to disturb this state. You can just be with it. We have 5 more minutes. We can just spend it together. You can leave silently. You can say anything you want. It's just open space. Just do what is good for you. Bye. Bye bye.